So yeah, this is where I do my stuff, and this is what I'm doing. This is an actual um, physical server that is hosting several virtual machines that I use for practice. So this is my like data center, my home data center. So these are all virtual machines, and all of them are Linux systems. But the one I'm actually going to write an exams on is the Red Hat Linux, and these are the Red Hat Linux. But I added Fedora, which is another flavor of Linux, and Ubuntu as well, just to have a real world experience with that as well. Because let's say if I go to another company and they're asking me to do the same thing on another flavor of Linux, I would have the idea. So yeah, that's why I added that personally. So coming back here, this is my physical computer's terminal, right? But from now, I'm going to move to this one via a process called SSH, right? It's like a remote access. So I can be on my physical computer and then be able to remote into that one. And I've already done that, and I've given it like an alias. So when I hit controller, it happens for me, right? So now I can manage these hosts, and I have an inventory file on my computer that has the list of them, and I say cat inventory, and this is I give a group name for them for these four, and then this is for the Ubuntu one, and this is for the Fedora. I know it's all like like gibberish in your ears, right? But yeah, so I can actually get information from one of the hosts. Let's say when I did this, the cat inventory, I have server one, server two, so I can pick any of them and do some administration on them remotely, without going into that computer. So let's say if I had about thousands of them in my inventory, I would just give them a group name, and when I do Ansible and I enter the group name and I do, let's say, um, ping, right? All of those under the group name are going to, be, let's say, sent a ping message, and then they will give a reply. So now I've managed to reach every member within that group, right? Um, it just makes work easier. Instead of me going to that computer physically and trying to do all this management from that computer, I'm actually doing it from one computer, right? So let's say if I have about 200 or thousands of computers or servers under my control in my data center, and I have to do an update or certain things, an installation, I don't have to go to every single one of them. But because I have the Ansible, I'm able to reach, all of them at once by using a group name, right? So these are the benefits of the thing that I'm learning, and that's why I wanted to show you. What's up?